occupying a building whose entire two-story facade has been covered with a funky cityscape mural. The kitchen, 4348 Fountain Avenue, adjoins one of LA's most popular gay lounges, Akbar. Partly because of this, it's not uncommon to see gay couples or groups of friends venturing into this charming space for lunch, dinner, late-night snacking, and early-day brunching, on weekends. The kitchen at the kitchen is dedicated to cooking from scratch and often sources locally in its efforts to prepare mod comfort fare with a creative flair. Consider the crispy fried chicken and eggs with garlic mashed potatoes at brunch, or dinner options like pistachio-crusted salmon with mango-currant chutney, or Belgian-style beef stew with beer-braised tri-tip. You could also make a tasty meal out of a few sides, such as grilled asparagus with chipotle aioli or goat cheese latkes with applesauce.